Here's a quick tip demonstration using the 2D Contour Toolpath, all done in Mastercam. By oscillating the tool along the contour, we make full use of the entire flute length rather than just the front part of the tool. This helps reduce wear and tear in one area, leading to a longer tool life and more consistent performance. Without oscillation, wear is concentrated at the front of the tool, which can cause premature damage. By utilizing the entire flute, we ensure that wear is evenly distributed, extending the tool's lifespan. MACROMILL specializes in Mastercam and CNC custom macro programming, providing you with the tools and knowledge to optimize your machining. Join us at www.macromill.online or contact us at info@macromill.online. MACROMILL, your trusted and registered training provider.